Greetings, I'm Dev the developer.
And I'm Glitch.
Solid colors and images are great, but sometimes you need a smoother transition. Today, we're looking at CSS gradients, not just a way to make things look pretty, but a powerful tool for creating lighting effects and depth without extra assets. A gradient is actually a type of image in CSS, which means we apply it using the background image property. Glitch, set up a simple box for us.
One simple box ready for color augmentation. I'll drop it into the body. And I'll set some basic styles to give it some mass.
Now, let's add a linear gradient from blue to purple.
Adding the linear gradients to the background image. A smooth transition from dark to light. It's satisfying dev, like watching a server reset the sky during a firmware update.
By default, it goes from top to bottom, but we can change the direction, add to right at the beginning of the function.
To right, shifting the flow horizontally. Horizontal progress, a shift from the primary input to the secondary output. I can also use angles, right, like 45 degrees.
Exactly. Angles give you even more control. But let's look at radial gradients now. They radiate from a point.
Radial gradient, switching to a circular output. A focus point, a target radiating outward. It's intense, like a searchlight scanning the network.
Now, let's try creating a repeating gradient. This is how you create patterns like stripes without using any images at all.
Repeating linear gradient. I'll set up some cautionary stripes. Diagonal stripes, infinite repetition, a predictable pattern perfect for cautionary markings around sensitive infrastructure, and it's all just math, no images required.
And you can even layer them. You can have multiple background images separated by commas.
Layering information, obscuring the details with a stylish overlay. Very clever, dev. I'm starting to see why you like this property so much.
Try creating a sunset gradient with 3 or 4 colors. Experiment with radial gradient to create a spotlight effect. Try to make vertical stripes using the repeating linear gradient. The possibilities are literal math. Don't just watch it, do it.